Today, we're going to build General Grievous's bike using 18 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 4x4 round plate with a 2x2 round hole in the center. And we're going to turn it around so we can see those anti-studs, the 4 anti-studs on the back of this plate. And if you look between the anti-studs, you can see those little spaces where we can fit a Technic pin piece. We're going to get this half Technic pin piece, and you've got that smaller stubby end with a little ring, and then you've got the longer end in the back. Well, we're going to put that stubby end into that little space right beside the anti-stud like this. And we can fit 2 of those Technic pins in there between the 2 anti-studs and bring it together. Now, we're going to do this 8 times, so 2, 4, 6, 8. And to save time on camera, so we can just, stop watching and get building, I've already got 6 of those pins put in here, and now I'm just going to put these pins in with that small stubby end going in first. And, I've got bigger fingers, so sometimes I pop one out, but it can be done, as you can see. And once we have all 8 of those Technic pins in, we're going to get a second 4x4 round plate with that center hole. And now this is why I've got those short ends in there, because I have found when you put the shorter end with the ring in here, these pins don't wobble and move so much. So it makes putting these 2 pieces together more easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to find those Technic pins in the close space here where my 2 Technic pins go in, and we're going to put it and line it up so the circles are alike, and then we're going to find them and just kind of squeeze it together once we get them in place. Now, this can be difficult, but you're going to see that I've done it and I'm doing it right now. It just takes a little practice, and they do fit together nicely. And the first time I did this, I had Technic pins popping out. It just took a little practice, but it does get much easier over time. And now once I've got my circle or the wheel to Grievous's bike, I'm going to choose 2 studs to be the bottom, and that's going to be here. And on those 2 studs, I'm going to get this 1x1 round tile piece with the little pin on top and put those on the bottom studs. And now I need to do that to both sides. So here's my bottom. I want to make sure that this is also my bottom, keeping them even. Put more of those tiles with pin on them. And now on these pins, I'm going to grab these droid arms. And you're going to want the droid arms where the clips are facing the same direction. That way they look like the claws of the bottom of the feet, but you need them facing the same direction, not the ones that twist like to hold a gun. You want these ones. And I'm using like a metallic silver, but you can use whatever grays you have laying around. You're going to put one of those claws onto the pin and have it bending down to kind of look like it's bending and ready to run, like there's the joints. And so we're going to do that to all 4 of those pins. And when we're done, we're going to have General Grievous's bike for him to mow down, clone troopers, droids, whatever gets in his way, because all he really cares about is, killing the Jedi.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.